Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 7 of Advent Calendar opening. If you think I missed a couple, I missed yesterday. But I've been posting them as shorts, so definitely check out the videos if you want to see the other days. But today we're just going to open them on camera. The last couple of cheese, well, two days worth of cheese was pasta sauce. Did you like those ones, Jerome?
Kind of.
Yeah, it kind of tasted like pasta sauce. It was the pesto and bruschetta. Literally just pasta sauce. So I guess it works for the refined palate, unlike mine. But yeah, so today is day 7. We're going to start with the cheese calendar. Where do we have day 7? 7, okay. So let us open this one. Get that one open. Then we have today okay, so I'm thinking I'm repeating my cheeses now because you guys, am I repeating my cheeses already? Because didn't I get this one already? But I haven't done the black pepper gouda, so I messed up somewhere, you guys. I definitely messed up somewhere because I haven't gotten that black pepper one yet. And I think I saw that I should have. I don't know. But I have this one, and I think it's like a cheddar. But once they start repeating, I'm not going to do them anymore because it's the same thing. Yeah, I still like this one. It's like a really sharp cheddar. This one's good. Joey's been eating all the cheese. He loves the cheese. So he's going to get that one in a second. You want to do your chocolate or? So we're just talking, you guys, about Japan. We spent Christmas in Japan year before last or something. Did you know that KFC is the food or the Christmas meal? KFC literally just wanted to sell boxes and sets and stuff in Japan. So they advertise that as wholesome family eating KFC on Christmas. And then it became a thing. And Japanese started eating KFC for Christmas. When we were there, we learned that. And you have to order it like a couple weeks or something, right? Yeah. In advance to be able to get your KFC for Christmas dinner. And Christmas isn't more so for family and stuff. It's more like a Valentine's Day. It's couples type thing in Japan. So that's interesting. Okay, so Jarrell has hot cocoa. So his definitely is repeating now. So he's probably just going to never come back. Oh, you didn't get the truffle yet. So why are they repeating already? And you have got
the toffee flavor.
The toffee flavored? Okay, so he hasn't gotten that.
Or the chocolate mousse.
So how would it be? But you got the hot cocoa. So I guess they're just trying to throw it in there and be like... So that one... Do you remember if you liked that? Well, I mean, you're tasting it again. Hot cocoa, chocolate. Taste that hot cocoa and chocolate. So that's that one. And then for me, number 7 is... Where is day 7? Oh, 7 here. All right, so day 7, I feel like am I? Do you remember me getting this one?
I don't think so.
It's this one.
Coffee.
Oh, the coffee mousse. Okay, no, so I've never tried this one. So this is a coffee mousse. I like this one. Ooh, fancy schmancy. Okay, this one's good. Huh? So yeah, it's interesting to see Christmas in different places. You know what I mean? Who thought Christmas would be more like a couple's holiday? All right, so day 7 for the wine. I remember Jarrell, he's gonna come back when he starts doing this one. He still has his calendar, this one, his puzzles. So he's gonna do this starting in a couple days, right? Because this one is 12 days. So he's gonna come back and start doing that one. And then the wine, I have Malbec. Okay, Argentina, Mendoza. We were supposed to go to Mendoza, but it was more Yeah, for wine. So if you're visiting Argentina and you want to go to wine region, things like that, Mendoza is good. We didn't go there because we did we did Patagonia and then Buenos Aires. But yeah, so this one, just gonna take a little sip, you guys. Oop. Let's see. Okay. All right. Yeah, the wine's been pretty good. Like, I can say this wine calendar it was expensive, and to me, it's worth it. I have chocolate in my nails. To me, it's been worth it. I really have been enjoying it. Have you been enjoying it? Yeah, normally you get what? Like, the calendars that you normally get over the years. It's more like toys.
Yeah, toy.
Yeah, so he used to get like the Lego ones, but he chose these this year, the puzzle and the chocolate. But normally he used to get Lego, and I think he got like a squishy, okay, I don't know what it is, but he's like, yeah, no. Yeah.
No.
You don't remember squishy? You got something else other than Lego, but yeah. But these are pretty cool, you guys. And like I was saying, once we leave the US, so if you're planning on relocating, but you still want to bring something like this, they have the boxes or just a set where you can get the different numbered calendars. They have, I think, Michael's and like Walmart probably has it, Target. And you can make your own calendar. So go out if you want to do like a cheese one and just buy like sample stuff or the tiny package ones. And you'll be able to put them in or little toys if you have kids and you want to do that. And make your own advent calendar, because I'm sure you're not going to find them like this in most places. In Europe, since this is Aldi from Germany and all that, you probably will find them certain places. But in Asia, if you're going that side, I doubt you will. Or South America. I don't know. We weren't in South America for Christmas. We were in Asia for Christmas, Europe for Christmas. But it is possible to make your own advent calendars. So I think I did post something from my Target video with something kind of like that, what you could use to put your little things in. So yeah, that is it for Advent Calendar for day 7. We are gonna go bake cheesecake, so keep an eye out and we will show you the pumpkin cheesecake that we make every year for Christmas or during the holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas, and during the rest of the Christmas time, because we love that pumpkin cheesecake, you guys. I don't know if we have like, I'll probably try to post a recipe because Jarrell knows it by now, so he just throws it together. So all right, so come bake pumpkin cheesecake with us.